Yo, what's going on? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect Samcart with ConvertKit. And you can basically use this same method to connect Samcart with pretty much any other mailing list provider, but I use ConvertKit, so that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video. It's very important to be connecting your shopping cart provider with your email marketing provider, so when someone buys from you, when you get a new customer, you also get them on your email list so you can continue to contact them in the future. Very, very important when you're running a business. Do not skimp on your email marketing, because that can make you so much money and so many more sales, and that can really help you build that relationship with your customer. But that's a whole different subject. Let's just get into this real quick. But before we do that, if you haven't got Samcart yet, please go to growonyoutube.com/Samcart. grab it from there. You get a 14-day free trial, and going through that link does help out the channel. And if you don't know who I am, I'm Jay Cartere from growonyoutube.com, teaching you how to be better at YouTube marketing, online business, and music production. Let's get into this video and we'll show you exactly how to get your Samcart and ConvertKit set up. So here we are in Samcart. This is the place that you really want to get to. In order to get to this, you need to go to the top right-hand corner where your email will be. I'll be blurring this out so I don't get spam emails, because I know that will happen 100%. And when you click this drop down menu, you need to go to settings, and this will bring you to the general marketplace settings. And once you get here, you need to go to integrations, and then you want to create a new integration. As you can see, I've already got ConvertKit set up here, but we're going to go to new integration so you can see how this works. And then you just pick your provider. So if you're using ActiveCampaign or MailChimp or whatever, you pick that. We're going to show you ConvertKit. So we pick ConvertKit, and then you want to name the integration whatever you want to, so that you can know what it is, because no one else is going to see this except for you. So I would name this ConvertKit. And then you need to copy and paste your API key and copy and paste your API secret. I'm going to show you where you need to get that from ConvertKit right now. So let me open up a new tab. By the way, if you haven't got ConvertKit and you want to grab it, just go to growonyoutube.com/ConvertKit. Helps out the channel. Link will be in the description as well. I highly suggest using ConvertKit because it's what I use. It's better than MailChimp. I haven't tried ActiveCampaign or anything like that, so I can't compare it. But the reason why I got ConvertKit is because it was just easier for me to learn than any other platform. I didn't want to go through 6 months of learning stuff. I wanted to be able to quickly jump in and create my email marketing campaigns, and ConvertKit allows me to do that really, really well. So in order to find your API key and your API secret, you need to click on top right hand corner, like every website shows you your account settings. When you click that, that's what the drop down menu shows you. It shows you your account settings and logging out, and you want to go to your account settings. Now we'll be blurring everything on the screen, but here in your account settings, you will see your API key, and then you can click this show button to show you your secret key. Now I will not be clicking the show button, because although I'm blurring this stuff, I don't know what skills you hackers have out there, and I ain't trying to risk it for a chocolate biscuit, if you get what I'm saying. It's all wild out here on the internet. So you get your API key, you go over to Samcart, you paste it where it says API key. You get your API secret, you go over to Samcart, you paste it where it says API secret, you click save the integration, and then Bob's your uncle, you got ConvertKit set up. Are you done yet? No, you are not done yet. Right about now, you have your integration set up, but when people buy your products, will they be sent to your email list? No, they won't be sent to your email list, so stay around. You're not done yet. Don't try and run away. Let's show you exactly what you need to do next. So what you need to do next is you can go to global rules. Actually, you go to global rules and create a new rule. So if someone purchases a product, they automatically get added to your email list. So we can select ConvertKit. So in order to do that, let's just back out of that. You want to go to new rules. So it's after integration setup. You can go to global rules. You go to new rule, select trigger, product purchased, next step, select integration, select the ConvertKit one that you just made, and then select action. So you can add a tag to a subscriber. You can add a purchase to ConvertKit. You can basically do whatever you want. I would add a tag because, or you could just add the purchase. Why not? That seems like a very good thing for you to do. So if someone purchases something through Samcart, it will show in their email subscription. So in ConvertKit, when you look at someone's profile, you actually see if they purchased something from you. But are we done now? No, we're still not done. There's still a little bit more that you want to learn. Basically, what we want to do is we want to make it so that if someone purchases a specific product, they get sent to a specific form. So if we have a sequence set up, so if someone buys one of our courses, they get sent the thank you sequence for that specific course. In order to do that, you need to go to the products. You can't just do this all over. You can't just do this in global settings and hope for the best. You got to go to a specific product. You go to integrations, and then you can create new rules here. So now if someone purchases this specific product, we can actually make it so they get a tag added to them. And the way you set this up in ConvertKit is you'd set up an automation, which I'll make videos on this as well. If you don't know how to do this, you'll set up an automation which will add subscribers to a sequence after they get a specific tag. So we could add a specific tag. We could add bought YouTube For Noobs course. Bought YouTube For Noobs course tag. And then when this person buys this test product, because it's not a real product, when this person gets this test product, they'll get this tag added to them in ConvertKit. And I've set up automations that if someone gets this tag added to them, they buy the course, they automatically get sent to my sequence where they get sent the customer emails for this specific product. So they get thanked for buying this product, they get asked to leave a review, they get a bit more information, that sort of stuff. So this is definitely something you want to do. If you want me to show you how to set up automations in ConvertKit, this is something which I do pretty much all the time now. I've been using ConvertKit for over a year, so I'm pretty good with it now. I will be making videos on it, but if you want me to make it sooner rather than later, leave a comment down below and I'll look into making those for you. So that is how you do it. Basically, you can set a specific rule on products, and you can set a specific rule on your global settings, which apply to all your products basically. Now, when you're doing global settings, I wouldn't add a specific tag unless your tag is just customer. But if your tag is just customer, then I would suggest just adding the purchase information like I showed you, because that will make more sense. And then you can actually see that within ConvertKit. You can see how much this specific customer has spent with you, and that sort of stuff. It's just way better info. So that's how you do it. Remember, if you haven't got Samcart yet, go to growonyoutube.com/Samcart. You'll get your 14-day free trial. Check that out. See if you like it. See if you want to grab it. I suggest it for anyone who's really serious about selling stuff online and you want to implement upsells and all that sort of stuff. Definitely grab Samcart. If you want to grab ConvertKit, that link will be in the description. And yeah, question of the day is, what email list provider are you using? Is that what they're called? Email list providers? Is that what we call them these days? Email marketing providers? What email marketing service are you using? Are you using ConvertKit? Are you using MailChimp? Are you using ActiveCampaign? Are you using Drip? Are you using GetResponse? Let me know in the comment section down below. I want to see what people are using. And if you're not using anything, tell me why you are not building your email list right about now, because it's so important. Tell me why you haven't done it yet. I think I need to understand what's stopping people from doing this, because it's so important. And if I can understand what's stopping you from doing it, then hopefully I can get you to the point where you're ready to jump in with both feet. So let me know in the comment section down below. Remember, I do have a free course over there that you can check out to learn the 5 most important steps to YouTube success. In the next video, you're going to learn more about YouTube marketing, online business, or music production, and I'll see you there. Peace out.